Chinese dumplings, chicken dumplings. Add prawns 7 to 8, half kg chicken mince, and salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon, and crushed red flakes 1 tablespoon of crushed red flakes, and white pepper is 1 teaspoon, and crushed cumin seeds is 1 tablespoon, and lime powder 1 tablespoon, and lime juice lemon juice is 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add and prepare the filling. Add all the ingredients in the bowl and make the dumpling filling. And this is the ingredients. And the lime powder 1 tablespoon, lime powder 1 tablespoon. Add the filling and make the dumplings. Hi, welcome to another episode of Kanwal'skitchen. And today I made this Chinese is all the ingredients. Prawns dumpling started. Chinese chicken dumplings with chicken mince and vegetables filling and prawns is very easy. Homemade dumplings are healthy and easy to make and perfect as an appetizer. The ingredients are crushed red green chilies 4 to 5, white pepper powder 1 teaspoon, and crushed red pepper is 1 tablespoon, and crushed zira 1 teaspoon, and ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 capsicum, and green chilies of 4 to 5, and also prawns is 7 to 8, chicken mince is half kg, and prawns 7 to 8, and marinate. If you are making homemade dumplings wrappers, add and combine the all-purpose flour, salt, and 4 tablespoons of oil in the bowl, and half cup of water, and knead until the dough not sticky, and then cover with the cling wraps and rest for 30 minutes. Cover the dough with cling wrap and set aside while you making the filling. When the dough is smooth, you will knead it at least for 1 more minute. Take out the dough in fridge, and then knead the dough again, and roll out the dough on a surface. Sprinkle some flour and roll out the dough onto a long dough. Cut each dough in half, and then cut into small pieces, and cut each dough into 12 to 15 small pieces. Dust the flour and roll the dough, and roll each pieces of the dough onto a dumpling wrap. about 4 to 5 inches diameter. Set aside for the filling. You can use freeze dumpling wrappers and made the homemade dumplings. Roll the dough and cut into 12 to 15 pieces. Roll the dough, then cut. Roll the dough and then cut one. Cut into pieces 12 to 15 pieces. Make the small balls and then make the dumpling wrappers. Make dumpling into dumpling wrappers is make and press the palm hand palm and make the small pieces 12 to 15. Dust some flour. Dust the flour and then roll the dough and make the homemade dumpling wrappers into small pieces and then made the filling Prepare the filling by combining all the ingredients together. Use a spoon to mix well and use your hand also. Combining all the ingredients like black pepper, white pepper and crushed red pepper, and you can vegetables also add peas, one peas and carrots 1 cup. Add in the mash the peas and carrot and then add in the prawns and chicken mince filling. Mash the carrot and peas and then add in the chicken mince filling and then assemble the dumplings. Mash the carrots and peas and add in the chicken filling and then make the dumplings. Add carrots and peas 1 cup and mix with mince. to assemble the dumplings. Then add the filling. To place a piece of the wrapper on your palm, and 1 tablespoon of spoon add the filling onto the center of the dumpling. Uh, do not overfill the filling. Dip your index finger into a small and boil the steamer boil steamer full of water, and steam the water, and you can pan fry the dumplings also. Fold the dumplings on form a half moon shape, and use dumpling dough and samosa cutter. You can use cutter also to make the Chinese dumplings. In the cutter, you add the dumpling in the center, and then press the dumpling cutter and make the dumplings. And press the seal tightly in the middle. Arrange the wrapped dumplings on a plate. Line with the parchment paper to avoid the dumpling from sticking on to the bottom of the plate. Repeat the process and previous steps until the filling is used up. You can all the filling and add the dumpling wrappers and add the filling of 1 tablespoon in the center, and then tightly press the dumpling and prepare the filling. Add chicken stock and half kg of chicken mince, and mash the prawns, 7 to 8 prawns, and add in the bowl and prepare the filling. Add crushed red pepper, crushed black pepper, crushed white pepper, 1 tablespoon, and crushed zira, crushed cumin seeds. Add in the bowl and make the filling. Prepare the filling, combining all the ingredients together and well mix. To assemble the dumplings, place a piece of the wrapper on your hand and 1 tablespoon of add the filling onto the center of the wrapper. Do not overfill and fill and press tightly the dumpling and add and make the all dumplings wrappers, and prepare the and fold the all dumplings and make the cutter with dumplings and make the different kinds of dumpling and serve with the dumpling sauce. Press and seal tightly in the middle. Arrange the wrapped dumplings on a plate and then serve. Prepare the filling. Add prawns and chicken mince and crushed red pepper and black pepper, and cut in the samosa cutter. Add in this dumpling in the samosa cutter and add in the center of filling, and you can make with hand. Add in the center of the filling and press tightly and make the different kinds of dumplings. You can use cutter and also different kinds of dumplings made. And prepare the steamer. Add in the water and steam all the dumplings. Add butter paper and then steam all the dumplings. You can fry in the fry pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and then add all the dumplings, 5 to 6 dumplings, and add some water, half cup of water, and then fry all the dumplings and serve in a plate. And prepare the sauce. Add green chili garlic sauce and add 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce and 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Make the sauce. Serve with dumplings. Make dumpling sauce. Add green chili garlic sauce and sriracha, 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce and 2 tablespoons of plum sauce and 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Serve with dumplings. Add green chili garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, and then add sriracha sauce of 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce and 3 tablespoons of soya sauce and plum sauce, and serve with dumplings. This is plum sauce, sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons add, and add sriracha hot chili sauce, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, and serve with dumplings. Yes, and mix well all the sauces, and add 2 garlic cloves, and add black pepper powder, and mix, and well mix, and serve with. Dumplings are ready. Boiled dumplings and fried dumplings both are ready. Serve with dumpling sauce. Share my recipes with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, and thanks for watching.